Hello, this is the Awesome Sam. Today, I am going to show you an upgrade to your Gunpla to take pushing it to the next level. For this video, I will be using the Real Great Freedom Gundam. Let's get started. Congratulations, you have finished assembling your Real Great Freedom Gunpla. Let's take a moment to enjoy your work. The next step will be to pose your Gunpla. Let's get started. Let's try again. And nope. Alright, I'm gonna try something. Let's fold these guys back and here we go. Fold this guy down. Finally, we got it! Congratulations! Now you have made a pose for your Gunpla. Now, let's take it to the next level by making the box art pose. Let's get started. Alright, I have expanded the wings. Let's see if it will stand up. Don't worry, I have a solution. This is the Gunpla action base stand. This model I got is in clear blue color. As you can see, this is specific for the 144 scale model. The action base stand actually comes in many shapes and colors. Now, let's see what do we got inside the package. So the package opens up like this from the back. And here it is, out of the package at last. Let's get that aside. As you can see here, we got the runner, a bag of nuts and bolts, and the manual. Here's a little close-up of the manual. And now I will assemble the stand. See you guys later. Alright, this is the stand fully assembled. There is an angle adjustment here with the locking mechanism. You can also adjust the angle of the mounting base. This little lock here provides some height adjustment. The Real Great Freedom Gunpla provides a special mounting point, this little grey piece here. That's it for the stand. The stand itself also comes with 5 standard mounts. Alright, time to mount the Freedom Gunpla to the stand. Let's get started. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for. Real Great Freedom Gunpla in all its beautiful glory. You can also pose it in its full burst mode. Of course, With this action-based stand, your creativity is the limit on the poses you can do. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumb and subscribe to my channel. This is the Awesome Sam. See you next time. Keep awesome.